Check volume settings. Ensure the volume is turned up, both on the device and in the application you're using to play audio. Check if the device is muted, or if there's any hardware mute button engaged, like on a keyboard or headset. Check audio output device. Sometimes the sound might be directed to a different output device, like external speakers or Bluetooth headphones. Ensure the correct audio output device is selected. On Windows, right-click the sound icon in the system tray, select Open Sound Settings, and make sure the correct output device is selected. On macOS, go to System Preferences, greater than Sound, greater than Output, and select the desired device. On mobile, ensure the audio output device is correctly set in your settings. Check audio drivers for PCs. Windows, sometimes audio drivers can get outdated or corrupted. Go to Device Manager titles, Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, and check if any drivers have issues, a yellow warning triangle. Update drivers by right-clicking the audio device and selecting Update Driver, or reinstalling the audio driver. Restart the device. A simple restart can resolve temporary glitches related to audio. Check audio settings in apps. Make sure the application or program you're using is not muted and has the correct audio settings. Ensure the audio isn't set to an unsupported format, e.g. 5.1 surround sound on a stereo system. Test audio with another app. Test audio using different apps or media files to confirm if it's an app-specific issue. If other apps work, the issue might be with the specific app you're trying to use. Bluetooth or wired headphones issues. If you're using Bluetooth headphones or a wired connection, check the cables or the Bluetooth pairing. Sometimes Bluetooth can disconnect or misbehave. Repairing or reconnecting may help. Check if the headphone jack or USB port is functioning properly. Check sound settings for specific apps, e.g. web browsers or music players. If you're facing audio issues with a specific app, such as a web browser, e.g. Chrome or Firefox, ensure that the browser's sound settings are not muted or configured incorrectly. Some browsers or apps have their own sound settings or volume controls. Test with external speakers. If your built-in speakers aren't working, try connecting external speakers or headphones to see if they produce sound. This can help determine if the issue is hardware-related. Audio enhancement features. Windows. Sometimes Windows has built-in audio enhancements that can interfere with sound quality. You can disable these. Right-click the speaker icon, Playback Devices, right-click your audio device, Properties, Enhancements tab, check Disable all sound effects.